unclutter your mind. Stop strategy hop all the time. Let your strategy work for a couple of trades before you go on YouTube and you follow this new trader again and this new strategy, or you switch strategy every week. Because a trading recipe is something very personal. We cannot copy another trader. It's impossible. We need to be very authentic. The secret sauce is having a plan and then building the muscle memory of following the simple rules of your system. And then you assess your win rate, not the win rate of your trades, the win rate of you following the rules. Okay? So this number is the amount of brain cells that we have in our brain. It's a lot. So when you mess around with your trading for too long, you will have a lot of undoing to do. Okay? This is a picture. This is the first image from this guy of a neuron. This is what your brain, not all of them, but most of your brain cells look like this. They have little arms. Okay, it's like a tree. Okay, this is the body of the cell. And all these little arms are connected to other cells. That's how they communicate. These guys have to be trained the right way. This is a Buddhist monk, a French Buddhist monk, Mathieu Ricard. I don't know if somebody here in the room knows him. So he's a monk for 40 years now, and he came to Liège, and we had him in the fMRI, the functional magnetic resonance imaging machine, and we could recreate his brain cells. Okay? So what is very impressive with him is that at the time of the study, he was 69 years old, and he has the same density of neurons as a 24 years old subject. Okay? That's impressive. So meditation is so powerful to wire the brain and for your brain health. Okay? It will be so helpful for your trading too. So I just want to show you this, and then I will end up by showing my trade book. So some practical way as the take-home message tonight, okay? Right, so take-home message, okay? Daily neuroplasticity examples. Pre-market. So take 1 minute every morning. 1 minute. To just breathe and stay focused with yourself. Let the thoughts come and go and come back to your bodily sensation, your here and now. And practice the art of doing nothing, because 80% of trading is doing nothing. When we're in a trade, we do nothing. When we wait for a setup, we do nothing. Okay? So we sit on our hands and we do something else. So it's also good to have this exercise for it. Oh, I'm doing nothing. Right? Our brain craves meditation. We are always doing something. Okay? Every minute of our lives. Also, mindful review. Okay? I want you to identify when a habit comes and it's not a good habit for you. What is the external trigger leading to this emotion, this habit that will, emotion, thought that will lead to a specific behavior. Try to dissect and become a detective of your own brain. Okay? Visualization. With my group, every week we have one exercise of meditation, hypnosis, or emotional regulation. Okay, it's very important. So mentally rehearse calm execution. When you're in bed at night, go over your trades and just replay them the way you would have liked to play them. I used to trade in my head every night in the beginning, replaying and recording my screen. Okay, I would also print my charts and look at price action before going to bed. I was always like trying to understand, to get better. Okay, post-trade regulation. If you get emotional, listen to your body. Okay, put some space between what you feel and what you do. It's not because you have the urge to do something that you have to do something. Take a deep breath. Do nothing. Stand up. Okay, just get yourself out of this trance, of this other state of consciousness. So again, every time you repeat the same emotional reaction, you're paying interest on a bad neural investment. You don't trade with your emotions, but your emotions are very important to get to know yourself. Like I said, it's an inside-out journey. The more you get to know yourself, the more you can protect yourself. Hey Market Alchemist, I hope you enjoyed the full series as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. If you have any comment, please drop them in the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell because you don't want to miss what's coming next.